Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. From a rectangle ABCD of area 768 square centimeter, a semicircular part with diameter AB and area sum is removed. The perimeter of the leftover portion. Okay, so let's say this is the rectangle. And the semicircular part which is removed, and the one of the side is taken as diameter. So obviously the bigger side cannot be diameter. If it is diameter, then the semicircular part will go outside the rectangle. Okay, so here that semicircular part which is removed should lie within the rectangle. So let's say this is the semicircular part. Okay, so in that case we can say this is A, B, C, D is our rectangle. Okay. So let's say this is B, this is L, so this will be L and B. Okay. So now it is given that the area of the semicircle that is removed is 72 pi. Okay. So if the radius of the semicircle is R, then can we say R equals to B by 2? Okay. And the area of the semicircle which is removed is then pi r square, which is the area of the complete circle, by 2. If we divide it by 2, then this is 72. Okay, 72 pi. So pi got cancelled, and this r square is 72 2. So can we say 36 into 4? So r is 6 into 2. 12. Okay, so now we know the value of r. So if r is 12, then from here can we say b is 24? Okay, so one side we have got. Now the area of this rectangle is also given. So area of the rectangle LB is given as 768. So if b is 24, then L will be 768 by 24. This will be 3, 2, okay, 32. So length is 32. So now we need to find out the perimeter of the leftover portion. So now if we see in this rectangle, what is the leftover portion? So leftover portion is, we need to remove this part, right? So if we remove this part, this is the perimeter of leftover portion. So the perimeter is, can we say, it's L plus L2L, okay, plus B, and this is perimeter of the semicircle. So perimeter of the semicircle will be 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r is the perimeter of the complete circle. So for semicircle it will be 2 pi r by 2. Okay, so this 2 got cancelled. Now the value of L is 32, so 2L is 64, plus B is 24, so 24, and R is 12. Okay, so 12 pi. So this will come as 64 plus 24 is 88 plus 12 pi, which is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.